Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sewing a rib knit top. So I found this fabric that's a really pretty sage green color at Hobby Lobby, and it was in the clearance bin, and it's kind of a weird size, so there's not very much of it. But it was only $5 and I decided to get it. With this fabric, I plan on making a summer top. Then, because I don't have very much fabric, I'm not going to be able to do really long sleeves, so I'll probably just do short sleeves, which I'm planning on just kind of making up the pattern as I go. I'm excited, so let's get started.
Here's a closer look at the sage green knit fabric that I bought. I cut two pieces with the following measurements to make the front and back pieces. Then I cut two pieces with these measurements to make the sleeves. Then I cut out two rectangles that are 3 inches by the length from one shoulder neckline to the other neckline. And these are what the pattern pieces look like. First, I place the front and back pieces together pretty side to pretty side and sew and pin along the side seams. I then pin and sew the straps to the top neckline. I only sew the first 1.5 inches of the straps, making sure to leave half of it open. Then pin the straps to the back panel pretty side to pretty side. Take the sleeve and fold it in half, pretty side to pretty side, and pin along the side, and sew in place. Take the sleeve and pin it to the armhole and straps, making sure to match up the side seams. And sew in place. Fold the straps in half against the sleeve, pin in place, then sew a zigzag stitch along the bottom of the neckline. Repeat this for the back panel. Fold the neckline over by 1/4 of an inch, then pin it and sew it in place. I tried on the shirt and marked where I wanted the sleeves to end. Then I cut them where I marked it. You don't have to do this if you're happy with your sleeve length already. Then I sewed a zigzag stitch around the sleeve and the bottom edge to finish it off. I'm happy with the way this top turned out. I think it'll be a really great piece to wear in summer and spring. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, please subscribe. Bye!